Hi and welcome to AI agents as droids and teammates for medical device diagnostics. So medical device failures and diagnostic delays can have a massive financial impact on healthcare organizations. Adverse events related to medical devices cost more than $5 billion annually, and 23% of all surgical errors are tied to equipment issues, leading to even higher cost and patient risk. These problems don't just disrupt patient care, but they also take a serious toll on operational efficiency and revenue. That's why the Akira AI Agentic platform launched AI agents as droids and teammates for medical device diagnostics. This system provides real-time support, automates troubleshooting, and optimizes predictive maintenance. So let's look at the key challenges in medical device diagnostics that impact healthcare operations. First, the complexity of modern equipment makes diagnostic more difficult and time-consuming. Many technicians lack real-time access to knowledge, which delays issue resolution. As experienced technicians retire, a gap in expertise is emerging, leading to inconsistent diagnostics and longer training times. Increasing service complexity combined with fewer senior technicians make knowledge capture critical to maintaining service quality. So these delays extend device downtime, which disrupt patient care and negatively impact customer retention. Furthermore, evolving regulations make compliance during diagnostic essential to avoid penalties. And in case of inefficient diagnostics, also increase operational cost, putting further strains on healthcare budgets. So how does the Akira AI Agentic platform address these challenges? The Agentic medical devices diagnostic system uses AI agents to provide real-time support. The AI agent as knowledge orchestrator manages technician queries for efficient troubleshooting. The AI agent as real-time knowledge retriever gives technician access to up-to-date manuals and case histories for quick resolution. Further, when problem arises, the AI co-pilot agent provides step-by-step troubleshooting based on past cases. AI teammates for predictive maintenance work with device data analysis and fault prediction to detect potential issues early and schedule preventive maintenance. Then the AI agent for compliance monitoring ensures adherence to healthcare standards with real-time regulatory reports. Finally, the AI agents for reporting and technician training tracks performance and provides targeted training to improve service quality. Now let's explore the benefit of Agentic medical device diagnostic system. The system offers 96% accuracy in resolving issues and improves service levels by 18%. It reduces downtime, saving up to 40 hours per week, and boosts first-level fix rates, meaning fewer repeat service calls. Organization saves more than 960 hours in warranty services, cutting maintenance costs. And it also integrates seamlessly with the legacy equipment, ensuring safety and compliance and enhanced equipment reliability. So these advancements lead to noticeable improvement in customer satisfaction and more efficient device performance. Now let's move on to the working demo to see it all in action.
Medical device diagnostics is a critical process that ensures the proper functioning and longevity of medical equipment. Upon logging into the InsightCare Agentic platform, the technician is immediately prompted to query the system for past case histories. For an issue like the X100 device is not powering on, the case history agent retrieves relevant past cases, where a similar problem was resolved by replacing the power cable. Based on this historical data, the InsightCare agent then guides the technician through troubleshooting steps, including checking the power supply, verifying the fuse, and recommending a device reset. The predictive maintenance agent reviews the device's performance data, alerting the technician to any upcoming maintenance needs. The compliance agent ensures all actions follow internal standards, providing a compliant workflow. Once the troubleshooting is complete, the issue resolution agent updates the system with the actions taken. This concludes our demo. To transform your business with the power of Akira AI's multi-agent systems, visit our website and discover how, with Agentic AI, you can unlock new possibilities for your enterprise.